Today guys, so today magano tayo, o-open tayo ng mga pinadalang PSA dumating na, and pupunta tayong SM for the release of the Journey Together. So abangan natin kung ano yung mga available products na pwede natin bilhin, and yeah, unbox muna tayo ng mga PSA returns natin. So ayun, medyo mabilis. So February 17 ko siya sinubmit and dumating ngayon. So kung gusto niyo magpa-grade guys, you can contact me. Anyways guys, let's get into it. Nandito na tayo SM guys, papunta na tayo dun sa sana makabot tayo. It's exactly 10 AM. So bumili tayo Watsons para sa discounts. Let's go guys. One, two, three, four, five.
Pili kayo sa number 4 sir.
Ito.
Congratulations sir. You've won a treat. Okay sir. Isa pa po sir.
Isa pa.
Dalawa pa po.
Dalawa pa no?
Opo. Ganyan nilo ba yung number 4 sir?
Kaya nga
Number 4 ulit sir. Congratulations sir. Treat.
Puro treat naman yata nandyan
Hindi sir. Isa dito sa mga to sir yung 300 or 100.
Bigyan mo git pass.
Saka na gift pass sir.
Number
1 sir, receive niya.
1, 2, 3.
And treat din sir.
Sige.
Karamihan natin nilagay ng boss.
Kaya nga. Ano yan? Puro candy ba yan?
Chocolate sir.
Nasisira talaga ang ngipin ko dito.
Sir, ilang treats po nakuha niyo sir?
3.
Treats nga. Okay sir, pasilod na lang po na.
Sneakers no?
Pangalan na lang dito sir. Tapos pirma po dito.
So guys, dumating na yung natin. Regular. So it is here guys. And yeah, open na muna natin dito para makita natin ang mga grades. So guys, may dumating tayong package from PSA naman, and this is one pack card. So this is not a card, it's a pack. So ito muna, bukas pa yata yung pero kung mapapanood nyo siya sa iisang video. And it is a Van Gogh Pikachu sealed pack. So I didn't crack from the pack, so I graded straight from the pack. So I think they are grading this based on the plastic, not in card. You know what I mean? So ginagrade nila to based sa plastic, hindi sa card mismo. So let's see what grade we get. The grade did we get is PSA 8. It's okay, at least we have a unique piece of display. This is a sealed Pikachu Van Gogh Blackstar promo. So this is the comparison of the pack and the card. Graded card versus the graded pack. So yan. Nice guys, thank you. So let's back to the video. At talikod 5 cards. So let's grade review. So this is mine. So I bought it from Boss Umay, and the grade is PSA 9. Don't know, but it's 9. Next card, it's just an EV. I bought it from Boss Umay ulit. So he gave me a good price for these two. So I bought it set. Uy, PSA 10. Not bad, not bad. Next, this one is I pulled from Boss Rip and Ship. So let's see the grade. PSA 9. The last one is from the client, and it is a PSA 9. And lastly is the Bubble Mew, and it is a PSA 9. So all goods, guys. It is a good grade, 110 and all 9s. That's the harsh thing about the Pokemon right now. You can't even get a 10. Grabe English. So I'm gonna show you the grades from the sealed pack. So if you're interested, I can show you and you can grade it to me. So guys, nakauwi na tayo from SM, and yeah, nakabili tayo ng Journey Together. Hindi na sobrang hirap pero okay na. Kasi di ba dati halos wala kang makukuha na ngayon pwede ka nang bumili multiples. So hindi ako bumili booster box, sayang na. Dapat pa na booster box na lang binili ko. Anyways, ito yung mga nabili ko, guys. Oops. Meron tayong blister. 3-pack blister. Ito daw galing sa sa what you call this, half booster, slip packs, and bundle. And ito si Krabby, nag-evolve na siya dito. So ayan, para lang meron tayo sa Prestige. So yun lang muna yung video natin, guys. Sa susunod na lang tayo mag-open ng mga packs, or pwede ko na lang din keep sealed. Anyways, hindi ko rin alam ang gagawin ko dyan. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.